Well, hello again, Werx fans, and welcome to a short update on one of my prior videos. And what my video I am updating was the one on the nano glass files, these little guys right here. I got these off of Amazon, and just to see how well they work, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on the actual ones by Razer, from what I've heard all about. Anyways, so these are like $10 for 8 of them or something like that. What I did find out, what the addendum is about, is that they were making a screeching noise on the armor kit that I was working on. And turns out that these are actually specifically made, or specifically, they're not made for, but they're marketed for Gundam builders, people who build Gunpla and Bandai kits. And got me to wondering, I wonder if, because they are made out of a different type of plastic, which is very flexible, almost a nylon type plastic, that maybe these work a little different. And all the videos I've seen, people using these and testing these, it was people doing Gunpla. So anyways, so I thought I'd try it on something that's similar. So here we go. Okay, so for this test, I'm using a kit that I also reviewed recently from Suyata called the Madness of the Streets. It is a sci-fi vehicle, and this is one of the parts to it. It is molded in a similar plastic to the Gundams, the Bandai Gundams. It's actually a little more towards the plastic styrene instead of the nylon plastic of the Gundams, so I figured this would be a good test. So anyways, so I've got the little nub here that I've cut off with my cutters here, and let's get it a little bit closer. Okay, and now let's see exactly what this thing sounds like. And lo and behold, it's not making a real screeching noise. It's making a little bit. Well, it's still doing a little bit, but not as bad as it was on the standard armor kit. So, and it is taking the nub down quite quickly and then polishing it at the same time. So I've also done this, I've done this side, which you can't hardly even see it anymore, right here. One of these, the Gundam guys use these for, is for getting the nubs down, but they're also, when they have the parts snapped together and they want to sand it between the two parts, they use these to actually polish some of the plastic. So as you can see and hear, it's not making any noise when you do a large slab of plastic, at least on this type of plastic. It's a little bit different than, say, something like the armor, this stuff here, which again, when we sand this stuff, it was making a screeching noise as well. So anyways, so that's the addendum. So these are specifically used for Gundam type plastic, ones that are a little bit more on the nylon plastic, a little bit more flexible plastic, and they work pretty good for that. So that is the review. If you are building Gundam, these are great. If you're not, just regular stick will work. So that is the review of the nano glass. Alright, Werx fans, that's a wrap on reviewing and updating the nano glass files. Hope you enjoyed that. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get all my updates of all my videos that are going to be coming out, so you get a notification on when they hit. So otherwise, I hope you enjoyed that, and now go build something.